360.
Hey.
That's gonna be wicked cool on the way down.
Oh yeah, dude. Wow, look at that old school one right there.
Yeah.
The roundabout.
Yeah, yeah.
Good little Chevy truck right there. Nice.
Yeah. Classic cars.
Yeah, man, always.
Yeah. It's a whole parade of them, I see it.
Oh wow, yeah, that's a whole
There's a whole parade, yep.
Yeah.
Oh, it's automated, cranks it down, that's cool. I didn't want to open it without your permission.
No, you're good. Yeah, yeah.
All right, nothing loose. Yep, pockets are all good.
All right, man. Culture, culture, culture. I like that. All right, guys. Well, how are you guys doing?
Doing good. About ready to go back and grab our gear, and then we're going to go sit down around turn 11, right there at the hairpin.
Yeah, dude. I got my parents sitting over there right now, dude. Yeah,
Great.
they got it hooked up. Yeah, dude. He knows his cameras. Oh, they got a wall.
I heard something.
Billy, want some popcorn?
So I can't go too high. Look, I'll whack the pole on the way down. That would not be good. All right. Make sure it's still recording. Sucks to pay $50 and miss. Can I get a redo? My camera wasn't working. All right, we're way the hell up here. Okay, here it goes. Hang on to it for the decel. Yeah. Whee! Oh, it slows down too early. I'm about to lose my hat. And decel. Whoa! All right.
Sweet. All right, sweet. That was good, y'all.
Yep,
Ready?
got it good.
All right, awesome. Just trying.
No, I need a redo. My camera wasn't working.
Oh, really? I got you, my man. Hold on 1 second here.
I was messing with you. It recorded fine.
Asks, you guys paid twice, right?
All right.
Alright, man. Take it easy, man.
I was kidding. You thought I was serious. I'm not going to complain. 2 for 1. 2 for 1.
It's faster on the way up.
It is faster on the way up. I noticed that. It starts decel not even halfway. Well, that was nice of him. I was joking, but he was already in the process of respooling us. I didn't want to break the rhythm here. All right, everybody. Run number 2. Bonus for carrying the Hero Max. There it goes. That was a harder decel than the first time. All right. right.
Guys, I tried my best.
Appreciate it.
You guys can
Appreciate
see me
it.
again,
Yep,
man.
we will.